Stop paying $15 at the tailor every time your pants are too long. With a needle, thread, and 15 minutes, you can hem any pair by hand and no one will ever know. Step 1. Put the pants on with the shoes you'll actually wear and fold the excess fabric under to your ideal length. Pin it in place at the front, back, and both sides. Step 2. Take the pants off and lay them flat. Use tailor's chalk to mark an even line around the fold, then trim any extra fabric, leaving just 1 inch below the mark for the hem allowance. Step 3. Fold the raw edge under a 1/4 inch, then fold again to your marked line. Press firmly with a hot iron so the crease holds, then repin every 2 inches. Step 4. Thread a needle with matching thread and knot the end. Working inside the fold, catch just 1 or 2 threads of the outer fabric with each stitch, spacing them a 1/2 inch apart, all the way around. When you reach your starting point, knot the thread twice and trim it flush. Turn the pants right side out and press the finished hem flat 1 more time. Pro tip: never stitch through to the front of the fabric. Your hem should be invisible from the outside. Got a hemming trick of your own? Drop it in the comments. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.